Hi guys, my name is Laurel Hodis. I'm a senior here at FGCU and I am on Team ADCs. I am presenting in summer 2021 and today I'm going to show you how to access the OneDrive, download, rename, and re-upload the master spreadsheet correctly, how to download the files, and how to measure the fins and re-upload them to the OneDrive correctly. And yeah, let's just get started. So, I'm in the OneDrive, my files. You're going to hit all aspects of EDCs, fish data, Ambusia data spreadsheets, and this is actually my 5th time trying to film this. So, it's a little bit different. Usually it will show the last one that was worked on, so the date is right here. So what you would do is open it up. It's going to take just a second to finish loading, as you can see down here. So this is the master spreadsheet. You're going to go to File, Save As, and you're going to download a copy. So, like I said, this is my 5th time trying to film this. So it would have downloaded to my PC, and the last date that it was worked on was right here, 21/06/19. Here matches. So what you would do is open it, rename it to today's current date, which is 21/06/21, and my initials. So if you have any questions, you can always ask, but it's taken a few tries. So after you do that, you're going to go back to the OneDrive, go to the data spreadsheets, and after you've renamed it, as you can see today's date, this wouldn't be here. You would hit Upload, Files, pull it from over here, and upload it back into the OneDrive, which is this. So, it's going to take a second to load. Okay, so this is the most current, up-to-date master spreadsheet that everyone can work on now because it's back in OneDrive. So, I'm going to get rid of this. We're going to go back to the OneDrive, go back to fish data, and I'm going to show you how to pull up and download the images so that you can measure them. So today I'm going to be showing you some examples from 21/05/21, which is right here. Click on it. I've already done this for the sake of time because it takes a little while. There are a lot of pictures. You're going to hit download. It's going to pull up the zip file, as you can see down here, and it's going to download it to your PC. So open your files, go to downloads, and 21/05/21, you can see it's matching right here. Open her up. She looks the same. So now that you've done that, I'm going to show you how to measure the fish. So you're going to open the LazyZ software, and usually you just click it, but I already have it running. You're going to make sure that you are on the Process tab. You're going to go all the way up to the top right corner and hit the top one. This is how you're going to access the images. So I'm going to go to this PC, Downloads. And then, like I said, we're working on 21/05/21, and you're going to open it up. So, I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet, and the number right here, 6137, I'm going to find that over here. So I'm just going to use this, I'm going to drag it down, 3,000, almost 6,000, 6137. Okay, so we're starting on the FGCU outfall. So, I'm going to open this first picture. This is what it looks like. And for the measuring, so you're going to want the image name, you're going to want the scale bar, and you're going to want the line. And I'm going to do 1. It's just easier to see, I feel like. It's not as thick. And then make sure it's on distance line. And then length. So you're going to set it to 1.36. Make sure it's on centimeters, and you're going to drag it across the screen to the edges of the picture, and you're going to make sure that it's a straight line. Just like that, and hit calibrate. So now it's going to measure it correctly. So the date, or let's see, so you can see that this is a female fin. The males are more elongated at the end, and you'll see once you start looking. So we are going to put F for female, date measured, today is 21, she likes to put it differently, today is 6/21 of 21, and let's get started. So you're going to count down from 10, so start here and go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. You're going to go all the way up to the body of the fish, so right about here, and you're going to drag down to the end of the fin. So try to make it as accurate as you can. So we have 0.556 for the first one. Then go to the second spine all the way up to the body. And this one is a little messed up, so I'm just going to kind of drag it to right here. 0.517. Third spine. Drag it down to the tip. 0.504. Next spine is right here, all the way to the tip, 0.475. The last one is about right here, drag it down to the tip, 0.408. And it'll give you the 4:6 ratio. It calculates it automatically, 1.09. And then we have in the lab the intensity. You'll see the sheet on the desk, but you'll see the intensity right here is 1.09. So that is going to be an intensity of 1. That ranges from 1.0 to 1.19. And then over here, you're going to put your initials, just so that you know who measured them. So once you're done imaging the picture or measuring the picture, you're going to hit right click and hit Save As. You're going to click on this name, and then at the end, you're going to put underscore, put your initials, and then you're going to go into the measured and hit Save. So now we have that image that's saved. So usually you're going to do this for a bunch of different pictures in one sitting, but for this video I'm just going to show you how to do one. So once you've done that, you're going to go back over here. You go to the OneDrive. Just to show you again how you get here, you're going to go to the fish data, anal fin images, click on the date that you're working on, which is this day. Oops, not need to do that. You're going to open the measured file, and you're going to hit Upload. You're going to hit Files, and this is where saving it on your computer comes into play. So this is the date. Did not mean to do that. Sorry, bad example. You're going to hit Upload, Files, hit the date that you're working on, okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, had a mistake. So, you're going to go to Upload, ignore this, this is a mistake. Files, then you're going to click on the day that we're working on, measured, and then as you can see, it's going to save 3. One is the original, one is a JPEG, and one is like a document. It saves all 3 of them. So we're going to upload all three, and usually there would be a bunch of them when you're uploading a bunch of pictures, and you're just going to hit open. It's going to take a second, and voila! So usually this would not be here. I'm going to have Dr. Demers delete that, but if you ever have a mistake, just let her know and she can take it off for you. But yeah, and so then you can just go back, you can see the pictures you've measured, and then to open a new one, you're just going to go back up here, go back to the date. We just did 137, so now we're going to do 138. Open it, and then measure the fin again, and then save it how I just showed you. So, if you guys have any questions, you can ask me, you can ask other students, or you can ask Dr. Demers about it. But I hope that this video helped you.